When you have a kid with autism, you don't have far too many success stories to look at. You don't have, the future is very uncertain. Everybody saying can't do, can't do, can't do, can't do. To sustain your faith and confidence, can do will be a big deal. Pair your kid with children who are on the spectrum and also see and compare when I say not in a negative way. Audio Jungle. Hello everybody, Rajni here from Sashakt Empowering Times. So, what is today's topic? Today's topic is how important is community support with autism. So, basically, when you have a kid with autism, you don't have far too many success stories to look at. You don't have, the future is very uncertain. And already you are struggling with things. And the more number of examples that you have in the environment are a child who's, not behavior corrected, not there is no impulse control, the child is running here and there. Literally the whole world is saying outside world, those who don't understand autism, they're saying he's mad and stuff like that, they're saying. So our more experiences of such kinds, when that is what everywhere we are getting to see. Our reality is not that we walk into a hospital and we see that this doctor is autistic, but he's so capable. Our experience is not we walk into a hotel and we see this chef is autistic, but he's made such good food. Those are not our experiences. Our experiences are, autism means it's a mental handicap, it's a disability. Those are our experiences, no matter what this crazy Rajni would say all the time, but physical experiences are those. Now, in an ocean which is full of these sharks, of negative experiences, I'm talking symbolically. To keep yourself stable and steady, that my child will be able to do, will become a Herculean task. Very, very difficult task. Yeah. I am accused of using some very difficult language, so I immediately realized when I put it. So my team says you talk very, very complicated words. So let me put it easy. That with everybody saying can't do, can't do, can't do, can't do, to sustain your faith and confidence, can do, will be a big deal. Big deal. So what to do? This is what you do. Community support. When you get into a community, it's like that herd of elephants where all the older grown up elephants are at the corners, they're protecting the kids, and the kids are inside, and everybody's walking. The lion dare not come near because it knows it has no chance. And the elephants will make a football out of it. Yeah. The mighty lion will not venture close to the entire herd. Why? Because they're supported. And when I say this, what do I mean? The problems arising out of dealing with autism on your own are like that lion. Yeah? When you have community support, that problem doesn't bother you so much because before you press the panic buttons, before that happens, you already have the solution being offered from somebody else who's already been through it. That is how powerful and strong community is. Always go for community support when it comes to autism. Never be a lone fighter. Never be a lone wolf. You will struggle massively and it will cost you in terms of your mental health. Depression can happen. So never get onto that track. No. Always be supported by like minded people because there, if you have to do comparison, comparing your kid with a neurotypical who doesn't have autistic challenges is suicidal. Yeah, because it's the road to hell, it's the road to depression, it's the road to suicidal thoughts. Why me, why me, why me, why me? Yeah. Compare your kid with children who are on the spectrum and also see, and compare when I say not in a negative way, in a good way. and see if this kid has done it, mine will also be able to. And in the community, like the wise herd of elephants, ask the mother that what you did. So when that parent tells you, try and apply that and see that you will also grow. And the feeling that I'm not alone. So in this regard, Sashakt has a huge community of parents, huge community. Up until now, we have touched 27,000 lives through our various programs. And we have a huge community, and you will get one or the other success story and great examples as you go forward. And the guidance to do that. Yeah. So if you feel like join us in our community or else join elsewhere, but join empowering communities, not the ones that are talking kya karenge zindagi kharab ho gayi, those kind of things. Don't join those communities that are cribbing and ranting. That doesn't help. Join empowering communities and know that autism every way but is workable. And the answer to that question is a community important. It is the lifeblood of a parent on the spectrum. It is that important. You have a community, you stay stable. You stay away from depression. Failures don't mar you because you hear another parent's story that says, I failed 5 times, you just failed once. And the sixth time I tried and I got it. So you are well taken care of, protected, you literally in a nest. Please, people, if you have a kid with autism, being a part of an empowering community is the very first thing that you need to do so that you can fight the battles that are going to come your way in the long run and see your child getting successful. I hope you liked the video. In case you did, give us a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Tell us what you want to know. Any other concept, any technique, anything you are worried about, write to us in comments. We will make videos on it. And I shall meet you another time with another video. Bye.